Generative AI is rapidly transforming various industries. Change management is no exception. By leveraging AI's capabilities, you can streamline processes, enhance communication, and ultimately drive more successful change initiatives. Of course, AI will never replace the human component necessary to guide impacted stakeholders successfully through a transition, but it can facilitate certain time-consuming tasks. Those change practitioners leveraging AI will have a distinct advantage over those that aren't. So, how do you get started? Here are 10 powerful AI prompts that can unlock the potential of AI in change management, empowering you to achieve better results. Prompt 1. Develop a multi-channel communication plan for the upcoming marketing department software implementation, highlighting key benefits and addressing potential concerns for different employee groups. Prompt 2. Analyze the following communication material on a new ERP system rollout and provide suggestions for enhancing clarity and addressing potential language barriers for our global workforce. Paste the text of the communication material after the prompt. Prompt 3. Draft 3 emails about a workshop being held on insert date and time. For the XYZ project about insert project purpose. It will introduce key concepts and details to the organization. The first email should be the shortest, giving the date in a save the date format. The second email can be longer and include bullet points on items discussed. The third email will be a last-minute reminder to attend and why it's important. Prompt 4. Create a personalized learning journey for employees impacted by a new CRM software adoption. Provide a plan for beginner, intermediate, and expert users of the system. Prompt 5. Develop an adaptive learning module for a new customer service framework. Include a variety of learning formats, such as virtual courses, in-person training, and self-paced. Prompt 6. Generate a visually appealing presentation on a data analytics project, outlining key objectives, potential challenges, and proposed solutions. Incorporate relevant data visualizations and compelling call-to-action slides. Paste relevant data or a link to draw from at the end. Prompt 7. Analyze this text on a new product launch process and identify opportunities to enhance storytelling elements that emotionally connect with the audience and drive buy-in. Paste the pertinent text at the end. Prompt 8. Analyze this historical data on change initiatives within our organization and identify patterns associated with successful and unsuccessful change efforts. Extract key learnings that can be applied to the upcoming sales team restructuring project. Paste or link appropriate data at the end. Prompt 9. You are a change manager cultivating a change champions network to help support an organizational initiative. Your task is to create a list of 7 team-building activities that you can do with the new Change Network team to foster excitement and bonding. Prompt 10. You are a change management leader and want to reward a team for their hard work on the NAME project. Plan an awards ceremony to recognize change champions, key department managers, sponsors, and executives and their contributions to the project. Detail the award categories and the ceremony's format. By leveraging AI change management prompts like these, you can streamline processes, gain valuable insights, and craft more effective communication strategies. Looking for a software to automate your work? Try OCMS Portal, an all-in-one change management solution built with HI, human intelligence, and smart automation. Sign up for a free trial at ocmsolution.com.